in AI. So if we see, the third thing is research, because as India has a demographic and linguistic and diversity in India, so understanding and the research, everything is needed at the extreme level, because if the data is unavailable, so how the available data or the outdated data can be used by the people for research purpose. If we see all these factors, initiative and the current AI, definitely India has been a top 3 in terms of understanding, learning, foundation, momentum, everything. But what are the strength? If we talk about the strength, then India has a large youth population of youngsters, which will definitely help in AI model, which will help the companies and the startup to go for substantial growth to the extreme beneficial uh, billionaires in terms of stakes holders. So if we see these all factors, India has also been an active role in terms of industries across this education, research, finance, uh, governance. So these all things are basically AI is getting ingrained in right now. But if we see at the global level, so if we see the stat by Stanford AI Vibrancy, which states that India is in the top 3 ranks, which also give the idea that India in terms of innovation, India in terms of population, youth and competitiveness, India is being a prominent runner in this. This is all the basic idea. This is what the businesses, ideas, startups works. But are the businesses are ready to accept the AI? Because out of 4 business, just one business is having a fully acquired knowledge of AI. Because 18 to 26% is a index which shows that businesses are using this AI just for at the basic level. At the professional level, there is still out of one business out of 4 is having a that top level information, that top level expertise. So having that professional knowledge is still in debate or the questionable. And if we sum up this entire thing regarding the AI in terms of India's perspective, so India is definitely a prominent runner, and India is having the idea how the AI is working, and India has a foundation. India is in momentum to understand this AI, and India can be in a better place in the next upcoming decade. India definitely have a few challenges. The first is infrastructure gap, cyber security, data availability. But the initiative taken by the government and the investment will definitely trying to reduce the gap or build a momentum in terms of progress. Drop your comment, drop your perspective, and we will see you in the next video.